sweet. He's so neat, huh? Good morning. Good morning. Say hi. Who is there? You gonna go see Bert? Hello. Bert and Ernie. Can you go see Bert and Ernie? Katie. What you looking at, huh? That's for Ben. Don't play with it. Don't open it. It's for Ben. What did you get that you can see?
I can't see. It's very bright in here.
Is it very bright? But you can see some things. Look right there. Who's
I
that?
just saw that a while ago.
Did you see that? Who is that?
Max. Why are you sticking your hat out?
You see your bouncer?
What is this, Wawa?
Look.
Stand up there.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bring hot chocolate?
Yes, and I brought her some things too.
Vicky. Okay, oh, here. Those can take it. If she grabs that paper, she'll chew on it. Or does it tear?
Right there.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
I just was about to open it up, and it no, Katie. Can't eat the wrapping paper. You get near to it.
What is it?
I can't tell what this is. How I got this part open again. But you can see the back. Look. It's like,
Just lay it down and we'll pick up the paper.
okay, I got it right here. Comes the A4. Wait, let's see the wrapping paper. No.
hug her and sleep with her.
What did she get? She got one too. She got one with blonde hair, and I got one with brown hair. Can't that part. I can't carry this one. It's too heavy for me. Nope, please. Carry it. There it stays.
What is it?
That's what it is. Her water power.
Yeah. Let Mommy twist it.
I'm going to throw all the wrapping paper away.
Throw this wrapping paper away. Hey, I swear. There you go.
Ah! That was loud.
What did you get? What are those?
Roller skates.
We'll have to go out and try them. Uh-oh, I see Little House. Christmas at Plum Creek. Thank you, Laura. Didn't know you got that for me, did you?
Now it's my turn.
Thank you. Oh, that came off the back of the boat. What is it? Who is it?
Kevin. Her
She
caterpillar.
got the caterpillar. Put it over here. That's our trash.
I did. Uh-oh. What did I do to him?
What is it?
Wait. He don't have a black cat.
Who is it?
It's a scarecrow dog instead of a black cat.
Well, maybe the hat's down in the bag.
I knew it wasn't a ho-ho cherry go game.
No.
Cherry game. Yeah. Scarecrow.
Magic copier.
If Santa brings Daddy his carry lion, we'll know which one is Daddy's. Okay? I'm tired of opening presents. There's a lot more for us to open.
We remember this Christmas is the year she got
Lion.
the Hawaiian Barbie. got a carpenter right in and a t-shirt fun shop.
Doing sleep?
What you doing, huh? Here, let's ride the daddy. Put your legs down. Say it's gonna be a few months before I can ride this. My feet don't touch. Come stand over here by and I want to get a picture of this other one. Okay, let's see where can you start on it? There you go, right there. What is it? No, this is for you. Let's see if we can take it off the back. What is it? It's a nursery house. What's it got? A walker and a baby bed. And a high chair. And a bathtub. You got some baby. Yeah, you got some baby ones and a big set now.
Keely, watch her. Watch.
We'll open it up. Hey. Got it? Need your knife. Look, now look at that. And watch what it can do. I don't know how it does it.
She has a diaper on.
She sure does.
A bear ball.
I thought there was a way where you could lock the wheels. Hand it to me and I'll start putting them on. What is it? Oh, heaven over here.
What is it, Laura?
Cash register scanner, huh? Where you got? What? That's the first thing.
That's it? That's it?
That's one of many. Pull it that way.
Did she say that?
Yeah, she thought that was the only present.
That's it?
That's it? We ain't gonna visit y'all no more.
That's it?
You're probably gonna have
You
about
go-
three presents, I bet.
I get chewing on.
That's okay. She's just chewing on the box. Here, Katie. You wanna open this one?
You can open it if you want to. You want some help? Need some help? We'll just slide it right off.
Tell Grammy she hasn't put the easy bows on.
Yeah, I'll have to remember to not do that. I said I wasn't gonna save all these old worn out bows, but I can't find any more rings.
You know what we need?
thanks,
Katie. Why is it
Oh,
every
wow.
time when she's with me?
Let me get something. You have to wash them.
Go to your pants and my sweater.
I can tell you something, these pants are more than your sweater. Here.
It's a Thomas book.
What is
You
it?
can listen to
Oh,
it.
Thomas book. Show it to Granddaddy. Show it to the camera.
Hey, that's nice.
Thomas.
Thomas.
How about that?
Katie, why'd you do this? I've not
Let's
spit
see,
up
Laura.
all day because of all the spitting up
Let's
you
see
did yesterday.
Let me see the Thomas.
Well, I didn't think about little hands. I should have, I guess. Look at her looking up at me. She said, now who is this?
Anybody to hold me up and hold me, she says, I'm trying.
Doris said she got Catherine the book about the mouse, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
I think it might be a book.
I think it might be.
Ouch.
If you give them moose a muffin.
Oh.
It's
We're going to have to read it tonight.
Show me.
Show Granddaddy the book. Turn it around.
What's it called again?
If you give a mouse a muffin.
A moose.
A moose.
Give a moose. Here you go. You don't.
She doesn't like those
She
on
doesn't
there.
like jackets. Okay. Well, we'll just put the jacket up. It's a cute one. Maybe Daddy can read you the first few pages. If you give a moose a muffin, he'll want some jam to go with it. Let me see, I can't remember.
I think you have to make the, just go ahead and the paper off and then read it like this.
Yeah, here, I'll take it.
Boy, that's pretty.
What is that, Laura?
You know what it is?
American Eagle Silver Dog.
I'll take
Is it, what
Another
date is hers?
donkey.
Huh?
What date
They're
is hers?
just,
This year's, I believe.
91. I didn't know if you got their
no, they're
birthdays.
all,
We
no,
got two
they're,
donkeys.
we started to try to do that, but
We have two donkeys.
we're having trouble, so we just went
Have
with,
one Granny.
I don't know what it's called, just uncirculated.
Mm.
You know, they cost a lot more than
They're
that. I don't
gorgeous.
understand the logic behind it.
Katie!
Here we go.
Katie!
Who is this?
Well,
Who is this? Who is this?
Mom.
the thing is, this is one that you used to make a long time ago.
The, what's it called? American Eagle.
Laura?
What is that? George, what's that?
Oh, I wish I had my camera. What is it, Laura?
What is it, Laura?
Who is it?
It's the dog.
Who is it? Can you tell?
Uh-uh.
You know what it looks like to me?
Yeah.
Cinderella. Before
With
she
her-
gets her
Her
ball
raggedy
gown.
dress on.
See, here's her little patch. See, she's got a little patch on her clothes.
And here's her broom.
And there's her broom
Because
when she
what's
had
the
to clean
stepmother tell her
house.
to do? What's the stepmother tell her to do?
She tells, wash the floors, clean the house, wash the stairs.
Well, she was bossy, wasn't she? Wicked.
Okay, one for Katie.
You want to put this on her and let her stand up?
No.
No? Okay, we'll put it back in the box? Okay, there's that, John.
Can you put her
One
back
for
in the box
Katie.
for you?
Well,
Look at that. She's opening your present.
Let me get that off of the roof. You got it?
This is Katie.
this is,
Oh, yeah, sure.
She don't-
It's Katie's present.
this says to Katie. I don't know what that is.
Here. This is her.
Chewing on it.
Look, Katie.
Put a little shirt down there.
Her fat tummy sticking out.
Reckon what that is,
That's
Laura.
another
Look,
You
little
think
doll.
Katie got one too?
Katie's got her first doll. She had a blindfold on. Look, Katie. Show it to Katie.
How
Her
cute.
name.
Let's see, her name is Wendy from Peter Pan.
Is this mine or hers?
That's Katie's.
That's Katie.
We're gonna
But
we're gonna have a
Dorothy with those. I need to get back.
Go ahead.
Are you taking? You go check. Where's that?
Ruby red slipper.
Huh?
What do I do 24 hours a day?
Yeah, I guess so.
Don't ask me.
Well, this is a different environment.
Oh, I still watch it. Let's start over here.
Oh.
Where? Where's where I start?
There you go.
You know, I believe, Laura, you know what's in there?
Yeah.
A little man. Might be a little man in there to play with. Our little sister.
I can't see her. Can you do I do anything?
I can't say because I've got
I
one.
got
Yeah, hold on, okay, Byron. I can't see Laura.
I'm
Here,
on
Laura.
here.
Laura, let me push it back this way, baby. Okay, there you go.
What is it, Buckwheat? Bucky, what is that? Is it a... I believe it's a car. Is it a car?
Can you tell what it is?
Tear it off the side. What's that? What is it?
See if I can get all the paper off of these other. Even though we know.
Get on top.
My goodness, Laura.
There's a little boy in there to play with and a little girl. Is it a little boy and girl in there, Laura?
What is it?
You want me to cut that for you? So you can open it?
Laura, come around front and look at the picture.
There's a picture on the front, Laura. Come look. Look right here. Can you see it?
Hey. What is that, Laura?
Now you ought to be able to
Watch
open
your mouth. There you go. Here, let Granny. Here, Byron.
Here.
Take her and I'll get some still pictures. What does it do, Laura? Hey, what's that iron doing in the washing machine?
I don't know.
Where's Granddaddy's shirt right there?
Laura.
What color is my shirt? This one?
Yeah, you can wash it.
Okay, now we gotta dry it.
Shake it out a little bit. There you go.
Ah, put everything in it.
Go back to you.
Oh, she's drying my shirt.
Dry?
Now it needs
Okay.
ironing. Can you iron my shirt?
Gotta lay it out flat. That little, the iron, does it pop down or something? It looks like it's slanting up. I guess it's the way it's supposed to be. It might.
There you go.
God, it's iron. Oh, that's cute. All finished. Very good.
That was quick.
That was a quick. That's how far.
Let me show you something.
Hey, this is yours. Hey, wait, Joe. Well, I mean, we haven't gotten to that part yet. You want to turn it around?
What did you iron? No,
What
you hit
is
right
it, Katie?
now.
Look.
The other hand. See, that's the front iron.
Oh, I forget to advance.
Let me show you.
Look.
Then I'll give it right back to you.
Byron, can you come help open this box?
Yeah.
It's got brads on it. Don't cut yourself. Here, it just got brads, honey. Oh, don't need a knife.
Here we go, Miss Kate. Boom! Watch your eyes. Look at here, Kate.
It's clean.
Is it clean?
It's clean now. But we have to let it dry.
Look at that Katie's face.
It's getting warm though, Granny.
Must be all the soil.
Ah, it's her teacup. How did she get her teacup? Here. Get this open.
Okay. You're a who?
Ruby red with bronze door.
Walk out toward the Christmas tree so I can see you in them. Laura, walk.
Look, I have a Ruby slippers on.
The Ruby slippers.
I have to take these home, and I'll wear them with my nightie. Ruby
Those are so
nightie.
fancy. Oh, that's fancy.
Katie. Katie.